Okay, so I don't know if it is the one we repair. Huh? A key. Hold on, where's the one? There's another new brand new Madeira, yeah?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one, yeah. The guy said dry rati. I don't know which one. You know, see that? The Madeira thing? He said again growing on the puppet. No, nothing. I don't know why the guy sabi dry rat. Maybe the next one, no? Okay. No, this is brand new. Or maybe this one, kababayan. Hold on. No, nothing. He said they have a dry rat. I don't see any dry rat. Okay. Okay, so this is the other one that we repaired lately. And, how many ventilation now from the corner? ¿Cuánto?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5 here? 6?
6 here.
6 here? Okay. So I don't see any damage there. I don't know why the guy, he said dry rat. As far as I know, nothing dry rat over there. I don't see anything there.
The inspector coming here?
Yeah, he come here, he said.
Here underneath?
Oh no, he go here to check on it. So no more dry rat there? Maybe the plant? No. As far as I know, nothing. Nada. So this is the Arvin, this is the one we did over here underneath. But I don't see any damage, so I don't know why the guy said they have some damage though. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, as far as I know, maybe this one. This is okay. So I don't see any damage, but I don't know. He said they have a damage. No damage here in the front?
Let me check it out.
Check on it. Nada? Maybe that's the old report. I don't know. Okay, so Arvin, so as far as I know, that's the last ventilation that we looked through over here in the second. I don't see any damage. And this is the one we repaired lately. Here I don't see any damage at all. So I don't know which one he talking about. So as far as my knowledge, I don't see any damage, and then the ventilation is working good. It's just the saturation of the foundation over there that you can see. It looked like you had water before. See those water, Fabian? Those before maybe water enter here?
Oh.
The foundation, corrosion. So as far as my knowledge, I don't see any dry rot. And I don't know what, maybe you need to have the inspector check up this. I don't see any damage. We just repaired this one maybe 2 years ago, as far as I know. And then I don't see any damage. All I know, my Javier Ortega, when he did repair this one, I don't see any damage. So let's go take up, and then we can check the fireplace. What is the fireplace? Maybe over there?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. See the water? You still have a water problem. Right there. I don't see any damage though. So okay, so Arvin, so that's the foundation that you have to be concerned about it. Maybe there's a water coming through, but as far as I know, I don't see any damage on this side. Not that I know. And then I can show you the video later when we get back up. No, I don't see any damage. What is the fireplace? So this is the front house, no? We go this way. Same thing you go. Hold on. Oh, let's see. Fireplace. Where is the fireplace? Hold on, kababayan. There's the plumbing that we did here last time, kababayan. That's the brand new plumbing that we did here.
On the.
Ahí, that's brand new plumbing. Me and your tío. That's brand new. That one brand new, the toilet. But ¿dónde está?
See the bathroom?
Yeah, the brand new bathroom. No, I don't see any damage. Where is the fireplace? Oh, the guy left. Hold on, the fireplace in the middle here. Maybe, yeah. Where is the guy that you guys repaired? This one, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the two bathroom. Oh, really? So you guys put a... That's the madera you guys additional? Right? That's the madera you guys additional?
Yeah, it's only for no move.
Okay. What about the other side? Okay, good. Photo. Okay, so I don't know what happened. We have to find out where is the... So that's the shower. Maybe on the other side, oh, the fireplace. The one, the cueva. Remember they have another cueva over there? Maybe that's a fireplace. Is the next... Hold on.
Who
This
say?
the... Okay?
Who say?
No dry rat, kababayan.
No, who say?
Huh?
Who?
Okay?
Who the
He said the report. The guy said, sabi they have a dry rat over there. The inspector. The inspector, yeah. But I don't see dry rat though. I don't know, maybe the guy, maybe he only sabi. Anyway, let's go to the other linya. The other cueva. Ooh. There's the gas line. Why do they have a tubo here?